One is you make me happy, two is you set me free from all the things that held me back from just being me.
So let's learn I Got 21 Reasons. Is a nice intermediate dance, 32 counts, 4 walls by Stuart, and one super cool tag of 16 counts. Nothing to it. You'll see it when we get to it. So here we go. I'm going to do step by step. We're going to do the whole thing. Then I'll add counts so you can practice. We put music and we dance. Yay? Let's get started. Okay. So we start with 4 Dorothys. We're going to do 4 Dorothys as we go halfway into our right shoulder. So we're going to do a Dorothy forward with the right as we are going to go into a little angle. When we're going to the left with a Dorothy, we're going to do a quarter turn. A little bit in an angle again. Right goes forward in an angle, and then we come with the left and complete that Dorothy halfway as we are now facing the back of the room. We're going to continue here with 2 kick ball change with the right foot, kick ball chain twice, rock forward with right recover, half turn shuffle, pivot quarter to the right, cross shuffle left, rock recover to the right as a sway, weave back forward to the left. We're going to do points, left point by point, forward heel, skip to do a rock forward with your left, recover, half turn shuffle. Oh, we're done. That's really quick. All right, here we go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and Dorothy forward, Dorothy turn, Dorothy corner, Dorothy turn. 2 kick ball change, 1 and 2. Rock forward, half turn, shuffle through the right, quarter pivot, cross shuffle left, sway, rock recover, weave to the left, forward back forward, sorry, point, point, heel, rock forward, half turn through the left shuffle. You put it back, I know you do great. Here comes with a count, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn a 1, 2, cross 3, and 4, rock 5, 6, weave 7, and point. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. There you got it. I got 21 reasons. Now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to be at 3 o'clock. And this is going to be basically section 2 of the dance, which is your kick ball chain. We're going to do 8 counts of that piece, which is 2 kick ball change. You're going to do a rock recover, half turn shuffle. Okay? The next 8 counts of this tag is going to be a mambo forward left, mambo forward, coaster back with a right, coaster step. We're going to do a rock forward with a left recover, half turn shuffle through the left. And that is your 16 tag. Let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 2 kicks, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock recover, half turn shuffle, mambo forward, mambo, and a coaster, and a rock recover, turn, shuffle. And we start again with a Dorothy. Dum, 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 dum. Yay. Fabulous. All right. Well, put the video back. Have fun. See you in the next one.